Hey everybody, it's Vicky with Dementia with Grace. How is everybody doing today? You know what? I forgot my microphone. Let me grab it right quick. So I'm doing okay, except I forgot my microphone. So can you hear me better now? There's my little microphone. Let me clip it on my necklace. There we go. All right. Today we're talking about how do I establish a routine. We've been talking about the book and the R in Grace. It's gather important details, routine or reminisce, assess, calm, and excite. So we've already talked about the gather tool. We've already talked about how to assess somebody. So today we're going to talk about how do you establish a routine. In the facilities, in assisted livings, in nursing homes, in memory care facilities, a routine is a given. Everybody gets up about the same time. We eat about the same time. You either have a daytime or a nighttime bath, and that's consistent. Everything is consistent, and that is the key. Consistency is the key. When you think about establishing a routine, some people get a little bit freaked out and they're like, I don't know how to establish a routine. You absolutely do. You had to establish a routine when your children were young. You yourself have a routine every day of kind of what you do. And I go into it in the book a little bit deeper, but today we're just going to take a few minutes and talk about a routine. In the home, in the facilities, let me say that, in the nursing homes that I deal with, we, get up about the same time every day. We take our medicine about the same time every day. Everybody eats breakfast about the same time. And then we have a set schedule of events. About every 30 minutes, we're doing something different. We eat at 8. Everybody, gets their meals finished, and we wash our hands and we do those kind of things, and then we move over to the day room about 9. We do, all day long, 9, 9:30, 10, 10:30, 11, 12, 1. Every day is about the same thing. What that does is give a structure, a framework for people to be able to hang their hat on. They may not know who is around them or what exactly they're doing next. They wouldn't be able to tell you, we watch The Price is Right at 10 o'clock. But what they would be able to say is, we watch The Price is Right every day, or something like that. And they kind of, are able then to kind of plan their day. They kind of know what's going on around the things that we're already doing and talking about. So what I suggest is at home is, you don't have to have a very, very tight routine, but you need to get up about the same time every day. Your person needs to get up about the same time every day. And if that's 11 o'clock, if that is noon, that is fine. If that is what they do, that is fine. You let them sleep as long as they're going to sleep, but then, don't get up at 8 o'clock one morning and 12 o'clock the next morning and, 9:30 the next morning. I mean, that gets everybody's out of kilter. So you want to establish a routine that is consistent across the days, as consistent as it can be. If your person always took a bath in the morning, take a bath in the morning. If they always took a bath at night, take a bath at night. The people that have trouble getting their person to take a bath can use this to great effect, because if your person is used to getting up in the morning and taking a bath before they have breakfast, go ahead and do it. Wake up, get a bath, eat breakfast, take medicine. If it's bedtime when they take their bath, then that's a good, segue to bedtime. Everybody, you finish watching the news. I don't know what everybody's schedule is, but you finish watching the news, you take your bath, you take your medicine, you go to bed, that kind of thing. And if you establish a consistent routine, I'm telling you, it makes such a difference. We go into how to establish a routine right here in the book, and talk about people's schedule. We talk about sleep-wake cycle disturbances. There's lots of things to talk about here inside the book. If you're looking for a book about dementia and behavior management in particular, please do take a time to check out my book. It's available on the Kindle and as a paperback through Amazon. I'll put the link down below. We have a group, a support group called the Dementia with Grace Caregiver Support Group. It's a free private support group on Facebook. Link down below. If you have any questions about a routine or anything about the book, leave it down below in the comment section. I would love to respond to any questions that you may have. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I would appreciate that. It's a free, it's a subscription, but it's free. It's YouTube to my channel. I've got about 100 videos now, I think, up to 100 maybe. And I try to do a video every Monday through Friday now that I'm back in the saddle after my open heart surgery. Trying to get back and answer your questions. If you have an idea for a topic that you would like to hear discussed, leave it down below. I serve you. I am here to meet your needs as a dementia caregiver. If you are on YouTube looking for answers, I want to be the lady that you can turn to for the answers. I love what I do. I love who I do it for. I love coming alongside you on this difficult, horrible, hard journey and just making it just a little bit easier. I can't make the journey go away. I can't make the journey go completely smoothly, but I can offer some support and some guidance and some tips and some tricks and most of all, some love. That's what I hope you feel from these videos. All right, I will talk to you soon. If you have any questions, let me know down below, okay? And I look forward to talking to you again soon. I love y'all. Bye. Mwah.